The first major trial of 2008 will see a Mount Spokane high school student face charges he murdered his own parents. 19-year-old Bryan Kim has been in custody for more than a year now and claims he was too mentally ill at the time of the killing to be held responsible for his actions. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey joins us live at the county courthouse where prosecutors are rounding up witnesses for next week's testimony. Jeff?
The prosecutors have served a flurry of last-minute subpoenas, letting the witnesses in this case know that this often delayed trial is finally going forward. The names on the list, a preview of what will be some very disturbing and painful testimony. The first indication that something terrible had happened here at the Kim's Mount Spokane home came in as a call to 911.
It's Richard and Terry Kim. K-I-M is the people's name, and they did not show up for work today.
Cal Buell was Richard Kim's co-worker and now being subpoenaed to detail what he saw at the crime scene.
We couldn't get a hold of them. We come up here. We looked in the house. There's blood in the house. There's a bloody cell phone outside the home. And we can't see anybody in there.
Arriving deputies would find the bodies of Richard and Terry Kim in their garage. Then Jessica Kim, the victim's surviving daughter, called 911, offering information about her parents' routine, not knowing they were already dead.
The dog's food bowl is full. They were there this morning. If it's not, then they weren't. Details like that about their routine that could help them figure out what happened.
Now Jessica is also being called to testify against her brother and may be able to tell the jury that Bryan had tried to hurt their parents in the past.
There has been a history of assaultive behavior between him and his parents.
Another subpoena went to the Spokane Teachers Credit Union, the place Bryan Kim allegedly used his father's credit card to withdraw $1,000 in cash after Kim was dead. The theft is a possible aggravating factor in this case.
When you charge first-degree murder with aggravating circumstances, there are two options that the state has as far as penalties. The first one carries a minimum of life in prison without the possibility of parole. The second one introduces the possibility of the death penalty.
State prosecutors have since ruled out the possibility of seeking the death penalty against Bryan Kim. However, if he's convicted, Kim could still do life in prison. Bryan Kim's double murder trial getting underway here next Monday. Reporting live at the courthouse, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.